Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are taking a closer look at the latest version of the Love the Sea and Earth collaboration of Rangeman. The watch and the packaging that I have over here is basically based on a Cassowary, an endangered animal. Here is a picture of the Cassowary and you can see the color resemblance on the packaging itself. On the outer sleeve, we have the Love the Sea and the Earth logo for 2020 in red color. The tagline, change the world yourself. And I also noticed that they have embossed feet imprints of the Cassowary itself. So pretty much starts over here and then moves to the side of the packaging as well. A pretty cool looking design. So on the side we again have the branding Love the Sea and the Earth, similar on the other side as well. Let's get to the inner box and see what else do we get. Here we have a similar kind of theme as well. At the back you can actually see the official model code for this particular release, which is GW-9406KJ-2JR. The base model is of course the Rangeman GW-9400. Let's get the box opened and see what do we have on the inside. So the watch comes inside of this particular white cloth. I'm going to put that aside and we'll quickly have a look at the contents of this particular box. Inside of this box we have the user manual in Japanese, and we also have a booklet that talks about the organization behind the collaboration. So let's put all of this aside. Again, you can see the different types of color combination that they have taken from the Cassowary itself. So red over here, and then in the middle it's just a feather pattern similar to what we have on the watch itself. You will see it in a short bit. At the front, again, the tagline, change the world yourself. That is pretty much it. Okay, I'm going to put that aside and get to the watch itself. This is the watch. Absolutely beautiful design for this Rangeman. Just look at it. I'm glad that we have a positive display Rangeman over here. It has got kind of a blue tint to it as well. Again, this display as usual very clear in all lighting conditions. The bezel on this particular watch, it's candy blue and it is also semi-transparent. The word G-Shock at the top of the watcher, it is in gold in color along with the 4 screws on the top of the bezel. All 4 of them are gold in color. The 4 main buttons on this particular watch are in metallic blue color. Same on the other side. And then just look at the sensor button over here. It's red for the main button and it's got a gold ring around it. A very interesting color combination for this particular watch. I really like how they have gotten the colors right for this particular collaboration. The bottom straps also have got this red accent that we saw on the particular inner box just now. Similarly, you can see here the red lines on the left and also on the right hand side of this bottom strap, supposed to represent the throat part of the Cassowary. We also have the feather-like pattern on the middle here with the black color. Again, all of these are supposed to mimic the animal itself. Alright, on the top straps again we have the tagline over here, change the world yourself. And a very cool looking gold metal keeper over here. Looks really cool, including the buckle is gold as well. So overall it goes well with the color scheme that we have. And if you look at the back of this buckle here, it says Casio Thailand. And if you realize, these aren't your normal resin bands. Instead, they are actually carbon fiber insert bands. These pretty much last you forever. They also fetch a slight premium as well, as part of, you know, if you're going to get a replacement band, it's going to cost you a little bit more compared with the normal resin band that we have. Looking at the case back over here, again we see the logo for the Love the Sea and the Earth for year 2020 engraved over here. The watch is made in Thailand, and again the model code GW-9406KJ. Now back to the front of the watch. This watch has got a white LED light as part of the illumination. You can see over here, lights up the entire screen pretty well. And there is also a backlight image at the top part of the LCD, and that is the Earthwatch logo that is part of the backlight image. Now that we have seen most of the design features of the watch, I'll quickly run through the functions on this particular watch. So we are at the home time right now, and then we have got world time, and then stopwatch, and then we have timer, then we have your alarms, and then you have your sunrise sunset data over here, and then this is the manual recall mode, data recall mode, and then this is the manual receive mode for the multiband 6 that we have over here, and finally back to the home time. This particular button here will allow you to access the sensors. So for example, we have altimeter, we have digital compass, we have barometer and thermometer, and back to the first part of this menu. The watch was launched in Japan on 13th of November 2020. It retails for 60,500 yen, roughly $580. It is already available in Japan for purchase. It is not known if it will be released in other regions. Overall, the watch looks good, and based on what I've seen online, it is a very popular release among many G-Shock fans. Alright guys, that is pretty much it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Do hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and I really appreciate all your support. Till next time, stay safe, and I'll see ya.